Why did you put chips in the cart again?
Because snacks are important.
We came here for groceries, not a party.
Relax, it's only one packet.
That's what you said last time, too.
And everyone enjoyed them.
You always buy unnecessary things.
And you always buy boring things.
Vegetables are not boring.
Compared to chocolate? Yes, they are.
We already have chocolate at home.
Not the good kind.
Put it back.
No.
Lily.
Sarah.
We are trying to save money.
One snack won't destroy our future.
You said that about ice cream, too.
And I still stand by that decision.
Unbelievable.
Thank you.
Why are there 5 juice bottles in the cart?
They were on discount.
We don't need 5 bottles.
Future problems need future solutions.
That makes no sense.
It makes perfect sense to me.
At least buy healthy juice.
Fruit pictures on the bottle mean healthy.
That is not how it works.
Stop ruining my happiness. I'm trying to protect our budget. And I'm trying to enjoy life.
Fine. Buy 1 snack only.
2.
1.
1.5.
How do you even buy half a snack?
See? Now you're thinking creatively.
I regret coming shopping with you.
And yet you still invite me every time.
Because shopping alone is boring.
Oh, so you do need me.
Don't make this emotional.
Too late.
Wait, where is the shopping list?
You had it.
No, I gave it to you.
Oh no.
Don't tell me you lost it.
Maybe the cart ate it.
The cart did not eat the list, Lily.
Then we are officially shopping blindly now.
This is exactly why I get stressed with you.
And this is exactly why shopping with you is funny.
Funny for you, stressful for me.
Balance and friendship.
Fine, let's just buy the important things first.
Snacks are important things.
I mean vegetables, milk, bread, normal groceries.
Wow, your shopping personality is so serious.
Somebody has to act responsible here.
I bring joy to the cart.
You bring extra bills to the cart.
Same thing sometimes.
Wait, why are you smiling like that?
Because I secretly added cookies too.
Lily!
Don't worry, they were buy one, get one free.
Wait, did you also put soda in the cart?
Maybe.
We still have soda at home!
But this flavor is new.
You always get excited by colorful packaging.
That's called happiness.
That's called bad financial decisions.
Ouch, that was personal.
I'm serious, Lily. Look at this total already.
Numbers are just numbers.
Not when they come from my wallet.
Sharing is caring.
I knew bringing you here was a mistake.
And yet, you're still pushing the cart for me.
Only because you keep disappearing into snack aisles.
A true explorer follows her heart. Your heart leads directly to junk food.
And your heart leads directly to broccoli.
At least broccoli is healthy.
Healthy, but emotionally disappointing.
You are impossible to argue with.
That means I'm winning.
No, that means I'm losing patience.
Same difference.
Fine. Last snack. No more after this.
You said that few minutes ago. Your total is $400.
What?
The snacks were worth it, though.